The space race has never been more intense. With each passing year, new players enter the cosmos, and established titans push the boundaries of what's possible, designing faster rockets, smarter spacecraft, and more sustainable technologies. From satellite deployment to space station logistics, the demand for access to space is skyrocketing. Amid this high-stakes arena, one company has been quietly preparing to make history: Sierra Space. And at the heart of their vision lies one of the most anticipated spacecraft in recent memory: the Dream Chaser, a sleek winged spaceplane designed to return from orbit and land gently on a runway like an airplane. Dream Chaser promises a new era of reusable, runway return spaceflight. After years of intense development, it's finally ready. The spacecraft, nicknamed Tenacity, has been fully assembled, passed rigorous testing, and now waits at Kennedy Space Center, poised for launch. But once again, the countdown has been paused. Why? Tenacity is meant to ride aboard ULA's brand new Vulcan Centaur rocket. Yet, despite its promise, Vulcan has become a bottleneck. Launch delays, upper stage anomalies, and priority military missions have pushed Dream Chaser's debut further into the future, potentially into 2025. Every system, avionics, propulsion, environmental controls, heat shielding, has been installed, tested, and verified. The vehicle has completed fueling trials, practiced ground operations, and even undergone simulated launches and landings. All that remains is the ride to space, and still, it waits. Tenacity is no ordinary spacecraft. At 9 meters long with folding wings and a lifting body design, it's engineered for reusability and precision landing. Unlike capsule-based vehicles that rely on ocean splashdowns, Dream Chaser will glide back to Earth, landing on commercial runways, allowing for rapid cargo recovery, delicate experiment returns, and the kind of gentle handling today's capsules simply can't provide. Powered by non-toxic green propellants, propane and nitrous oxide, and protected by thousands of silica-based heat shield tiles that can endure re-entry temperatures of over 1,600 degrees Celsius, Tenacity embodies the future of safe, reusable spaceflight. And its mission? Deliver cargo to the International Space Station. Under NASA's Commercial Resupply Services contract, Dream Chaser has already been awarded at least 7 ISS missions, capable of carrying up to 12 tons of cargo with its Shooting Star module, a detachable unit that also serves as an orbital trash incinerator, burning up in Earth's atmosphere after use. But despite being mission-ready, Dream Chaser is grounded by circumstances beyond its control. The decision to partner with ULA, once considered strategic, has now turned into a logistical hurdle. And here's where the plot thickens. If Sierra Space had chosen to partner with SpaceX, things might have turned out very differently. SpaceX's Falcon 9 is the gold standard of modern rocketry. In 2023 alone, it launched 96 times, with more than 200 consecutive successes under its belt. Its lightning-fast turnaround, flexible launch pads, and proven ISS delivery record make it the most dependable launch platform on Earth. Companies like Axiom Space and Vast Space have already embraced Falcon 9 for their space ambitions. Sierra Space could do the same, and should. By switching launch partners, Dream Chaser could escape Vulcan's growing pains and finally take flight. With SpaceX, Sierra Space would gain speed, reliability, and the freedom to launch on their own terms. Imagine it, Tenacity, lifting off atop of Falcon 9, soaring through the clouds, gliding home onto a runway hours later. A new age of orbital logistics, fast, flexible, and reusable. And while we talk setbacks, let's not forget the competition. Blue Origin, despite being founded nearly as early as SpaceX, still hasn't launched a single mission to orbit. In 2023, they managed only one suborbital New Shepard flight, and their heavy-lift vehicle New Glenn remains stuck in development limbo. Compared to this, Dream Chaser is light years ahead, fully built, fully tested, and just waiting for the green light. So while Dream Chaser faces delays, its future still shines bright. With its reusable design, green propulsion, and advanced tech, it could redefine how we move cargo and one day astronauts between Earth and space. All it needs now is a launch. Thanks for watching.